In this box is the newest Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids Pro Tablet 2025 edition. This is the best tablet for kids ages 6 to 12. It has a bright 10.1-inch HD screen, no ads, robust parental controls, and 13 hours of battery life. Whether your kid wants to read, create, learn, or play, this powerful kids tablet is built for the future. Let's open it. Here we have the Fire HD 10 Kids Pro tablet. As soon as you open it, you're greeted with a friendly face and some basic instructions to get started. You also get this awesome kid-proof slim case, which includes a stand and handle. There's a power adapter, charging cable, and a little quick start guide. Now, let's take a closer look at this awesome kids tablet. The Fire HD 10 Kids Pro has built-in safeguards to protect kids' privacy, block malware and spyware, and ensure age-appropriate content. It even won the award for Best Parental Controls by Parents Magazine. With the Amazon Kids Parent Dashboard, you can control screen time, filter content, and even monitor your child's tablet remotely. The Fire HD 10 Kids Pro comes with 1-year Amazon Kids Plus included. That's access to thousands of ad-free apps, games, books, videos, and educational content from Disney, Marvel, Lego, PBS, and more. Now let's check out everything else you get with the Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids Pro. Here is the 10.1-inch HD display, which is larger than any other kids tablet on the market. And with the fastest processor and most storage, the Fire HD 10 Kids Pro is ready for anything. There are 2 cameras, one on the front and one on the back. And with the 2-megapixel camera, your kids will be able to take photos and even do video chat. Whether your kids want to learn Spanish, play Prodigy, explore the solar system, or learn about animals, there are thousands of engaging in educational apps and games that will keep them learning and growing. The Fire HD 10 Kids Pro comes with the full Harry Potter book series, so your kids can follow along with the movies. Plus, there are thousands of other books to choose from. Your kids can even write and illustrate their own stories. With up to 13 hours of battery life, your kids can read, watch, play, and learn without ever getting bored. The durable screen and case are built to last, so you won't have to worry about your kids using it every day. And if for some reason they break it, you're covered with the 2-year worry-free guarantee. That was the Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids Pro Tablet 2025 edition, the best tablet for kids ages 6 to 12. And if you're interested in purchasing this, check the link in the description for the most up-to-date pricing and availability.